I'm Angela with Angela Wolf Video, and this is a quick tip to make your Zoom videos look a little bit nicer. Today's tip is about your background. Now, those virtual backgrounds that Zoom offers are fun and they're quirky and they're cute, but when you're doing an important meeting with the boss, I would say they're not very professional. They can also be very distracting if the background's kind of going in and out. You sometimes disappear within the background, and also they can kind of lag your video, which again is distracting and not very professional. So I would just suggest not using them unless you're doing something fun like a virtual happy hour with your friends. In that case, using the backgrounds work the best if either you have a solid wall behind you, or do what I'm doing. Have very dark background, turn off all the lights in your house, and have just you be lit, like you're in front of a window. So with that, it's a lot easier for the program to detect what is the background and what is not. That way you won't have that distracting flashing in and out, disappearing into the great abyss of a background. So with friends, totally fun to do. With work, I would forego it for now. All right, that's my tip for the day.